Optimal ventilation with minimal exposure. One of the biggest concerns for apartment dwellers, particularly in high-rise buildings, is achieving adequate ventilation without compromising privacy or security. Traditional windows may open fully, inviting unwanted attention or letting in more dirt, rain, and debris. This is where awning windows shine. Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom, which allows fresh air to flow into your apartment while protecting the interior from rain and strong winds. This design makes them especially ideal for high-rise living where you can open the windows for ventilation but avoid the risk of rainwater or dust blowing inside. The ability to allow airflow even during a downpour is a key advantage, making these windows the ideal solution for Dallas' unpredictable weather. Additionally, since awning windows are hinged at the top, they are more secure when open. This minimizes the risk of accidental break-ins or intrusion, which is an essential factor when living in a high-rise building. Enhanced privacy and security. Privacy is a key concern for anyone living in an urban high-rise, especially if your apartment is on a lower floor. Standard casement windows or sliding windows may open widely and offer an unobstructed view of the surrounding buildings or street, making it easy for people to see inside. With awning windows, you get increased privacy because they open outward and up, keeping the lower part of your window sealed and out of view from pedestrians or other buildings. Moreover, the top hinged design makes it difficult for intruders to access your apartment through the windows when they are open. This extra layer of security ensures that you can enjoy fresh air and natural light without compromising your safety. Energy efficiency and climate control. Living in a high-rise apartment in Dallas means dealing with varying temperatures, particularly between the hot summers and cool winters. Awning windows contribute to a more energy-efficient home by offering better insulation compared to single-pane windows or older models. Their design ensures a tighter seal when closed, preventing drafts and maintaining a consistent indoor temperature. The airtight nature of awning windows also prevents the loss of heat during the colder months, which can help you save on heating costs. In the warmer months, when you want to keep your apartment cool, these windows allow you to bring in fresh air without the need to crank up the air conditioning, thus lowering your energy bills and improving your overall energy efficiency. Natural light and unobstructed view. Another advantage of awning windows in a high-rise setting is the abundant natural light they allow. Since they open outward from the top, they leave more of the glass surface unobstructed compared to other types of windows that may have a bar or framework that blocks light. This makes awning windows a fantastic choice for ensuring that your apartment receives plenty of sunlight, which helps improve your mood, productivity, and overall well-being. Moreover, the design of awning windows can help you maintain uninterrupted views of your surroundings. Whether you're overlooking Dallas skyline or scenic views, the large, unbroken glass of an awning window provides a clear and expansive view without compromising your privacy or the efficiency of the window. Low maintenance and durability. Another reason awning windows are ideal for high-rise apartments is their low maintenance nature. These windows are typically made from durable materials such as vinyl or fiberglass, both of which are resistant to wear and tear from harsh weather conditions. This means you won't have to worry about frequent repairs or maintenance, which is especially important for apartment dwellers who may have limited access to the exterior of their building. Awning windows also feature fewer moving parts compared to other window types, making them less prone to mechanical failure. Their design makes them easy to clean, as the outward opening feature allows you to access both the inside and outside of the glass, keeping your windows clear and spotless. Aesthetic appeal and modern design. The sleek and modern design of awning windows can elevate the appearance of any apartment, adding to the overall aesthetic appeal of your high-rise living space. Their clean lines and contemporary look seamlessly blend into both modern and traditional apartment interiors. Whether you're renovating your existing space or designing a new one, awning windows can enhance the overall visual appeal while complementing your interior decor. They come in various finishes and materials, so you can choose the style that best suits your preferences. Whether you prefer minimalist aluminum frames or the warmth of wood-clad windows, awning windows can be customized to fit your personal style and the architectural features of your building. Conclusion: why awning windows are the perfect choice for high-rise apartments in Dallas. In a Dallas high-rise, where privacy, energy efficiency, and ventilation are essential, awning windows provide the ideal solution. They allow fresh air to flow in while protecting your apartment from rain and debris, all while offering privacy, security, and beautiful, unobstructed views. These windows also offer energy efficiency by minimizing heat loss and preventing drafts, helping you maintain a comfortable living environment year-round. Whether you're looking to improve your apartment's functionality, boost its curb appeal, or reduce your energy bills, awning windows are an excellent choice. Their durability, low maintenance, and modern design make them a smart investment for anyone living in a high-rise apartment in Dallas. If you're ready to upgrade your windows, consider awning windows as a stylish, practical, and efficient solution.